everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Pinterest profile, your Pinterest personal profile into a business profile. First of all, open Pinterest and here you can see click on top right gear icon. Here you can see setting gear icon. Click on this. After that, here you can see option account management. Click on this. After that, here you can see convert to a business account. Click on this. After that, you need to click on convert account. After that, you need to choose your name for your account. Add your profile name. After that, click on next button. You need to add your website. If you don't have a website, click on no website yet. After that, here you need to describe your business. If you have blogger, you have customer or good product, if you have anything, you can choose here. For example, I am a blogger and also I am online retailer market. Click on blogger and again click on next. Here you can see uh, uh, now click on yes, I am interested to advertising. After that, click on next. In this way you can convert your personal profile to in a business profile on pinterest.com. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure subscribe.